Several commuters complained about harassment by residents of San Juan City celebrating the Wada Wada Festival last Monday, June 24. Despite existing ordinance expressing prohibitions, viral videos show people dousing water to commuters, even forcing to open private or public vehicles traversing the area. Some complaints of damages in properties, particularly cellular phones and even laptops. Adamant in maintaining peace and orderliness during the feast, San Juan City Mayor Francis Zamora plans to pass another ordinance limiting the water dousing activities only to a designated street.
Magde-designate na lang po tayo ng isang basaan zone within the pinaglabanan area. No? So ito po yung kahabaan ng ating pinaglabanan road mula dito sa may Domingo hanggang sa P. Guevara. Sa mga susunod na taon, dito na lang po natin gagawin ang ating basaan. So,
Mayor Zamora appeals to the victims of harassment related to the festival to file formal complaint to apprehend violators. On Friday, June 28, a delivery rider was assisted to file a complaint against a resident who doused water and hit him while transporting documents as part of his job.
Pagkabasa niya po sa akin, napamura po ako kasi nabasa yung cellphone ko. Pagkatapos po nun, ayun na po, inampas pa ako dito sa ulo. Pagkatapos na po ang hampasin sa ulo, umalis na siya. Tapos yung ibang mga tao po doon, pinagbabasa na po ako ng tubig.
Meanwhile, Senator J.V. Ejercito, former mayor of San Juan City, called the incidents a failure of leadership, lacking preparedness and reminders despite efforts in conceptualizing and controlling the Wada Wada Festival. But the incumbent mayor says these incidents have been happening even during the previous administration.
Alam niyo naman po, expected naman po yan na wala naman hong magandang sasabihin si Senator Ejercito tungkol sa Makabakong San Juan. Expected naman po yan. Number one, these are isolated incidents. No? At kahit naman po ng mga nakarang administrasyon dito sa San Juan, nangyayari na po yan. Alam naman yan.
Asher Cadapan Jr., UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.